Yeah, good morning. Anyways, today we're going to be talking about how AI makes development better for developers, I think. I'm not a developer, I was, but I think it makes sense. AI is everywhere now. If you've been living under a rock, just want to let you know, now AI is everywhere. Even in McDonald's, you can see it everywhere. Honestly, I'm not, you know what I'm saying? We can make burgers with AI. But today we'll talk about how AI helps developers be more productive. And then we'll talk about how MicroGPT, the company I work with, does some of the stuff, I guess. And then we'll talk about the bounty, which has like $5,000 and $1 as a prize. If you want to read what's on the slide, go ahead. I don't know. I didn't write it, to be honest. But so one of the ways is code generation and optimizations. GitHub Copilot is a really nice tool, and ChatGPT, but ours is better. It's faster, but we'll talk about it later. But one of the first ways AI can help with the development is through code generation. So if you're writing code, instead of having to spend time writing actual code, you can just say, I want to write a code that shoots a gun, and then it will write the code for you. But Canada, it's illegal. And then optimization as well. That's another way. A lot of us code at night. I don't know why. We're just like, I guess, more energetic at night. So when you're at night, you're tired. The code will not look too good. So ChatGPT can make your code better, or it makes it more optimized. I don't know. It depends on who you are. And then next one, same thing. I talked about it, to be honest. Same thing. But if you want to read the slide, go ahead. You know what I'm saying? Oh, the second way. Who could have thought there's another way? Anyways, code review. If you write a piece of code and you're like, all right, I don't know if this code is going to work. You can hit the run button and it wouldn't work, but you're like, oh, what's going on? So you just copy the code, put it in ChatGPT and say, oh, what's up? And it will tell you what's wrong, But ChatGPT is a bit expensive now. It's like $20 a month for some reason. So MicroGPT is free, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, that's the second way. You can also debug bugs, which was something I said. I think next slide would say the same thing. Same thing. Nice. Oh, another way, documentation. So if you're lazy like me, what you could do to write documentation about your code is you take a piece of code on Visual Studio and put it in ChatGPT. And then you can ask it to write documentation for you. I'm sure it won't be good, but at the end of the day, it's going to get the hours in and then, clock out. You know what I'm saying? It works. So that's another way you can use AI for coding as a developer. And if it's actually fast, I'm not going to lie. What happened? Yeah, so here's an example. You can summarize code with ChatGPT or whatever. And then collaboration and communication. I have no idea what that means, but collaboration and communication. Code analysis. I think I kind of spoke about it, but yeah, basically you can analyze code with ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot. You say, is this good or is this bad? What am I missing? A semicolon here or a semicolon there? Same thing. And now we're talking about MicroGPT. So that's the company I work for. I'm the moderator over there. I don't know why they hired me, but anyways, it's MicroGPT. It's nice because it has all those things, and it's free. You don't have to pay $20 a month. I'll take donations though. There's a GoFundMe at the end. I don't know who put that there. But yeah, those are some of the tools that we have at MicroGPT. I'll talk about them very quickly. So one of the first ones is like GitHub Copilot. It's just faster because I think they use OpenAI or something. We use Perplexity. So it's faster and better in quality. We also have a code editor coming out. I won't leak some of the features, but I'll talk about some cool ones. One of them is NLP Search. As a developer, before, when I was young, I used to struggle looking for code after writing it because I write it at night and I forget in the morning where I wrote it. So you can use NLP Search. So you can say, I wrote a code about this, and it goes to it. It shows you all the references and everything. That's one of the cool features about our code editor. And then we have a mobile application. So if you're lazy, don't want to paste code in paste code in ChatGPT, you take a picture of it with your phone and it kind of finds the bugs. What else do we have? We have a micro alerts. That's actually a cool feature. If you work with a startup that has founders from McDonald's, they don't know anything about code. No offense, I worked at McDonald's too. But because they're not technical, whenever you make a commit as a developer, they get notified and they get a summary of the actual commit that you made. So if you added a button on the go to cart page, they will get the message that, hey, I added a button. And it's human readable, so you don't have to be like a developer. You don't have to be a developer to understand those alerts. And we have a few more products, but yeah, just get in touch with me. And also, I don't think we have this here on the slideshow, but we also have a bounty. So if you are a developer, we have a bounty. Just come and ask me questions about it. It's all you have to do is use our product to build something, submit it, and then we'll judge it. If it's a good product, you might be one of the winners. First place gets some $1,000. Second place gets more money. Third place gets a little bit of money, and then fourth place gets $1. Check out our booth. We have some QR codes and donuts. I know developers like donuts. They might be out, but hey, go check it out. Yeah, thank you guys. Oh, one more question. That's fine. If you have something built, like just make sure you use the tool because we can track who used it, and then we can see. It's on the dashboards. Go to app.microgpt.io. I think that's our domain. And yeah, clap. Hey, come on. All right, thank you guys. Thank you.